it's Melissa Thompson with Crye-Leike Realtors in your Key to Memphis, and today I just wanted to talk to you about a couple of cancer awareness issues and fundraisers. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. All right, well, first of all, I'm sure you know of somebody, unfortunately, whether in your family or just family-wise, that has been touched by cancer. So my husband and I both are doing fundraisers for different events for a cancer awareness thing. My husband, the first one is the Ride to Rosemary. So he's actually riding a bicycle, pedaling from Memphis to Rosemary Beach, and that starts September the 29th. And so they go like 100 miles a day. So follow me on Facebook if you want to kind of see their progress of where they are and everything. But really need about 33 guys that do that too. And that's for West Cancer. So I'm going to put a link on the bottom below if you want to donate to that. That would be awesome. All right, well, and the second fundraiser is for St. Jude, what everybody's heard about as well, for the Children's Cancer Research. And that race is the first Saturday in December. So I'm doing the half marathon for that. So I'd love for you to donate to that if you would. It's just, we've been touched in many ways. Both of our parents have had, my dad and his mom has had cancer. But then the family that I know, the heads, they lost a child. That was like 3.5 years ago, and they were at St. Jude. So just trying to help that family. I'm going to attach her email, actually, the moms. It's just so touching to see. They're such an awesome family, but they did lose their daughter, to cancer. So anything that we can do to help, raise cancer and cure it would be awesome, honestly. So anyways, you can hit those emails and the links below. So if you would like to donate, that would be great. If you want to run with me, that'd be great too. So anyways, just wanted to let you know about those and just appreciate anything that you can do. Thanks so much. Have a great day.